Yeah. So till here I completed, and the same is actually true for creativity. Creativity is not a single thing, but in fact a whole collection of similar but different processes. So creativity is not a single thing. It is a combination of all the things. It's a process of different things. Like creativity in mathematics is not the same as creativity in visual art. Like creativity in mathematics is not the same creativity in visual art. If a student decide to be creative in mathematics by deciding that 3 plus 3 2 plus 2 is 3, that is not being creative. It is just silly, since the student is no longer doing mathematics. Creativity involves being at the edge of a field but still being within it. So creativity means that if that particular thing is uh, it's variable, it's verifiable, otherwise it is a stupidity. Like if a student, yeah, they are saying that if a student is showing his creativity and saying 2 plus 2 is 3, so then it's he is wasting his time. Creativity involves being at the edge of field but staying well within it. So creativity means that you are being in the edge and still you are being within it. Similar arguments can be made for similar arguments can be made for other 21st century skill. There are same arguments that can be made for other 21st century skills, such as problem solving, communication, and learning how to learn. Okay, there are similar arguments that can be made for other 21st century skills, like solving problem solving, communication, and learning how to learn. There is some evidence that students who learn to work well with others in one setting more effective may be more effective in doing so in other setting. So some transfer is definitely possible. However, the really important message from the research in this area is that if you want student to be creative in mathematics, you have to teach this in mathematics classroom. If you want student to think critically in history, you have to teach this in history. Okay, you have to teach this in history. You have to teach this in history. Mastering disciplines and learning to communicate effectively. Uh, engaging civically in discussion and argument. These have been and should remain at the forefront of all education. So mastering a discipline, and this helps in is always the top notch of the education. The ancient talk about the importance of understanding what is true and what is beautiful and what is good. And these educational goals should be perennial. Okay, these education goals should be a perennial. This education goals should be a this education goal should be a perennial. Okay, so here they are saying that mastering a skills and communicating with other This is in understanding what is true and what is beautiful, and this educational goal should be very nice. So here 21st century skills are: the first is the communication, second is learning how to learn, problem solving and transfer of skill. Okay, communication, transfer of skill, problem solving. The short answer is no, although they certainly can if they forgot two important lesson. The first, that if maximum number of children are to be given the greatest possible chance to releasing their creativity potential, school needs to provide the rich and broad curriculum, so-called creative subjects that are visual and performing arts. Okay, and the second, that if they are serious about cultivating real creativity, they need to remember creativity describe whole collection of similar. Okay, so this I had completed, and one thing is very simply I can say the creativity is very if you see the given below the mind map template, use your ideas and thoughts and develop them. Okay, so use your idea and thought and develop them. Okay, uh, use your idea and thought and develop a mind map frame designed to show benefits and game. This is very simple. You need to help them like fitness and stamina, team spirit, sportsmanship, like this. Okay, so now we will try. There is a mind map here. They are saying difference between mind mapping and concept mapping. Exactly what it is. Let's see. Uh, Concept. So here there is example is given. You can see. Yeah. So concept mapping is that like from where you are connecting it. Mind map is similar. Here the difference they are saying that here they are saying that the concept map appears in a scope and lies with interconnected, while they utilize brainstorming or if you can distinguish two models, effectively apply that. So story mapping is also used for generating ideas. Okay, so I'm stopping. Let's take another example, which is this will help everyone. Okay, so you can also, let's take example of your career. Like if I'm putting in the middle career, so career, the first thing comes in our mind, the salary. Second idea is what comes in mind, that is the job environment. Okay, working environment, and then time, and then money. So these four things I had created, and I will write it by my own, and then I will decide, and then after that I will description, I will take decision in my life what to do, and where I am exactly. Here's what I can do it. Okay, so here we had done with our mind mapping, and another one is the note taking. So I will start in the next. What is exactly note taking and note making? It's note taking is jotting down, helps student to see each point clearly.